There's your clip for the start. Sorry. Welcome to Just the Tip. Today, I'm going to share how to create a perfect Cupid's bow with your lip liner. So typically when we do our Cupid's bow, for the center we think of the letter V, but things can kind of look a little smushy if you do that. So instead of the V, think X to create a perfect intersection at the center of your lips. And then when lining your top lips, you want to remember to go up and in instead of down and out. Up and in will create fullness, whereas down and out will create sad face. Let me show you. There is our perfect center of our Cupid's bow. And let me do the rest. And there you have it, some quick, easy tips for creating the perfect lip.